motherhood. Welcome back to the series Voice of a Mother. I am Shaliza D'Souza from Aldona Parish Youth, and today we have a mother who is a single parent and also a teacher. Let's hear it from her. Over to you, Simon.
Hello everyone, my name is Simon Pereira and I am representing Aldona Parish Youth. Today we have a mother, a teacher, a headmistress who will be sharing her experience with us. We welcome you, ma'am, to this episode.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please tell something about yourself?
Well, I'm Mrs. Flavia Silvia Di Costa, a resident of Aldona, Santarshed. I'm a teacher by profession and also the headmistress at the Government Middle School, Mapsa.
Besides being a teacher, are you involved in any other activities?
Yes, I'm involved in a couple of activities. I represent my ward at the Aldona Parish Council and I am the General Secretary there. I too am a General Secretary at the Dinnery Parish Council. I am the member of the Lions Club of Aldona. I love gardening, cooking and stitching are some of my hobbies.
Ma'am, can you tell something about your family?
I am a mother of 4 beautiful daughters and a loving grandmother too.
Ma'am, how do you manage work and home?
Work and home has been a challenge to me right from the beginning, from my initial days when I got married and I started the teaching career. As both husband and wife were working, my children used to be small and we had lot of help for us during when we used to go to school. But as gradually the children grew up, as of now they have all grown up. Two of them are already married, one is yet to get married and one is still studying. And it has been a very vast challenge for me to manage the home and work for me. But I have given my best in maintaining my home as well as my school career.
Ma'am, as a single mother, how did you cope up with the responsibilities?
Being a single mother has been the biggest challenge to me. I had to be a father, a mother, a sister, a brother, a friend to my children. I had to be all in one, and my children always called me a super mom. And life has thrown a lot of challenges for me, and I have accepted them as they came by, and I tried to go with the tide, as they say. I have flown with the waters which have taken me to safe shores.
Ma'am, what was the most difficult thing for you till now and how did you get out of it?
Losing my husband and bringing up my 4 daughters was the most difficult, challenging part of my life. Educating them and seeing them well settled in life was a topmost priority to me. With faith in the Almighty and trust in God, we were able to conquer all our difficulties.
Ma'am, did your daughters support you in these difficult times?
Yes, my daughters did support me at this time. With their love and understanding, I was able to overcome my grief.
Ma'am, I see a lot of awards displayed in your house. Can you please tell us more on that?
Yes, surely. In 2014, I was awarded the Best Teacher for the Bardes Taluka by the JCI Club at Mapsa. In 2015, I received the Goa State Award. And in the year 2016, I received the National Award for Teachers representing the state of Goa. I was also felicitated for my lifetime achievement in the field of education by the Lions Club of Mapsa, Lions Club of Aldona, Village Panchayat of Aldona and the Rajhounds at Panjim.
Ma'am, would you like to give a message to our viewers?
Yeah, the message that I would give is that we should always have God as a savior in our hearts and in our minds. He should be the stronghold of our home. That's what makes us good Catholics. And secondly, I would say that education was a top priority for me and my husband. We saw that the children were educated, they would stand on their feet because we didn't know, you don't know where life takes you as you go through. It throws up a lot of challenges to you, and you should be prepared to face all these challenges in this world. So my plea to all the parents here, please do educate your children, and especially the girl child. They mean a lot to me. I have 4 of them, and I have educated them to the best of my ability, sacrificing my life for them, and I see them shining now.
Thank you, ma'am, for spending your valuable time with us.
I thank the Aldona youth for having given me this opportunity to express my views. May God bless you and your good work. Thank you.